All right, so our second speaker is Pathum, and he's going to talk about improving geo-targeting in commercial mobile alert services.
Hi everybody. In today's world, mobile devices have become an essential part of modern human lifestyle. Such a wide use of these devices comes the possibility of making people aware of imminent threats to life with the use of alerts and warnings. Commercial mobile alert service is such an initiative taken forth by government agencies and the industry to disseminate alert messages to devices such as cellular phones and pages. Commercial mobile alert service works by government agencies collecting alert messages from the United States President, National Weather Services, and other emergency operation centers, and sending them directly to the participating mobile carrier networks, which in turn will send those messages to the end users. Current system has limitations. The system only the most granular level of targeting a message is a counting. You can't target a message beyond that. Also, most of the conventional positioning methods do not work inside buildings, making geo-targeting in indoor spaces a big challenge. Sending the same alert message to different places within the same region considered is another big challenge which is faced by the system. So that brings us to some interesting research questions. The most interesting research question that we are targeting to answer is geo-targeting messages, mobile devices in indoor spaces. Say for instance, a bomb is found inside a room in a big building, and finding methods not to panic others, but send the message only to the people who should become aware of the problem is a major focus. Also, identifying how broadly the targeting should be sent to from the point of incident, and sending the alerts across the boundaries of the targeted regions are the types of research questions that we are mostly interested in. We are interested in software-centric methods opposed to hardware-centric ones, and also a major focus is wireless sensor networks, localization of sensor nodes, and sending messages to various sensor nodes are concerned as solutions and explored in much detail as solutions to the problem. During my talk, I talked about what commercial mobile alert service is, current limitations with spatially targeting messages in the system, research areas and problems, and finally, the approaches we are planning to take to make it a better system. I hope I was able to give you some understanding of my research and the grant proposal I am working on, and thank you for your patience.
Okay, thank you.